Hi, my name is Colin Abrams. I've been trading the markets for the past 30 years. I want to ask you, do you know that 90% of traders lose money? Some people say it's more like 75%, but whether it's 75% or 90%, it doesn't matter. The vast majority of traders lose money. Why is that? And there are three reasons. Number one, to be successful at trading, you need a trading system or method that gives you an edge. That's crucial. That's where the game begins. Number two, one needs to know how to manage one's risk. Risk management, or money management as it's called, is absolutely crucial. That just in a nutshell involves how much to risk on any one trade, how many trades to have on at one time, where to cut your losses quickly if the market goes against you. All that falls under money management or risk management. And number three, the third reason why the vast majority of traders lose money is because they cannot manage their emotions. They don't know how to have the discipline or the patience to make money in the markets. Trading is a mental game, an emotional game. Being able to manage those emotions is absolutely crucial. So that's the third leg required in making money. Having a strategy that gives you the edge, being able to manage your risk, and being able to manage one's emotions while the trade is on. I've been trading the markets for 30 years, and I've put together 10 of my favorite trading rules to give you for free if you would like to download them in an ebook. There are many, many different trading rules out there. I've taken, based on 30 years of experience, my 10 favorite and most important trading rules. If you'd like to get that for free, please click the link below and you can download that now as an ebook. I hope it benefits you and helps you on this journey. Bye for now.